Hi, and welcome back to Country Conversations with Cactus Jack. Just got back from Florida. We went down for Bike Week and stayed an extra week afterwards in Daytona Beach and Ormond Beach area, and I found every motorhead's toy store. The name of this place is Insane Cycles and Muscle Cars. First, I walked around like a kid in a candy store, taking video and just taking it all in. My goodness, this is such an awesome place. You know, I got a weakness for T-buckets, and they had a nice little Ford T-bucket here. I love that body style. And there's just every description of car. There's a 57 Chevy Nomad on the inside. We covered a few of the most notable ones, but there's a lot of stuff here that didn't make this video. Another one of my favorite automobiles is a 1956 Oldsmobile. Really nice version of our Olds Rocket here. The interior was complete. Once again, it's a patina car. Really nice looking car. A 56 Oldsmobile. Lots of my relatives, my uncles, and my family had cars like this. This car apparently belonged to a cancer survivor. This one's the kind they call a patina car. I think it was all there, right down to the hubcaps. I couldn't find a thing missing that I don't remember from when I was a kid. Then they had a chopper made out of some type of wood. Kimberly says,
I got it from a customer. Absolutely meticulously done.
That is like a replica of a Road King?
It is.
Yeah.
Actually, that one's a Softail.
Okay.
We hear that there is a Road King out there as well.
Once again, as usual, I'm apologizing for the audio quality.
I'm Cactus Jack. The video channel is Country Conversation with Cactus Jack. Who are you?
I'm Kimberly Beavers,
Kimberly, it's nice to meet you.
one of the owners of the Insane Cycles and Muscle Cars.
Insane Cycles and Muscle Cars. We'll get you a picture of that to put on the channel here. I haven't been in a place like this. Tell me what you got here.
Yeah, so we do sales service restorations on old antique cars and trucks. So we do muscle car builds, we do motorcycle builds, we do a little bit of everything to everything.
I've kind of got a weakness for T-buckets. Are those yours out there?
Those are all for sale.
They're all for sale?
Yes, sir.
Well, tell us your address, where we are. We're in the border of Ormond Beach, but I don't know what the town is.
Ormond Beach is our town that we're in right here.
City limit sign right there.
But
I thought maybe we
Nope,
were.
we're in 691 South Young Street in Ormond Beach, Florida.
All right, and if you're putting that in your GPS, that'll be YONGE Street.
Correct, which is US 1 in Daytona Beach, close to Daytona Beach.
Last year at Bike Week, I posted a picture of an old model Triumph Bonville like one I had when I was a teenager. This one's slightly newer than that and in much, much nicer condition, but it doesn't look restored. It looks like this one is just the way it was. It's just been kept this well. And there's a lot of different, I don't know what you would call them, a lot of different genres, a lot of different motorcycles, a lot of different tastes, all at Insane Cycles and Muscle Cars. Well, I'll refrain from singing any Hail Britannia anthems. I'm telling you, it's a sweet bike.
The other one you have is this Indian here. This one's Christine. I heard you say you won some.
We won, over the weekend at the Rat Hole, we won 3rd place for our original.
And what is that?
It's a 1940 Indian Chief for sale. It is for sale.
How many pennies do you have to have in your piggy
You have to
bank?
have about 40,000 pennies.
40,000 pennies
Yep.
or dollars?
Well, dollars.
Yeah.
We'll take dollars instead of pennies.
40,000 pennies. I'm going for checkbook. Oh, it's beautiful. Tell me about this insane chopper here.
It is insane. Wins lots and lots of trophies. It's a 2007 build. It's an Ultima frame, a 127 engine, SNS engine, custom paint. It has a custom seat, which is alligator, and that one's just alligator.
Nice. Well, that one's for sale, right?
That one is not for sale. That's a little company trophy that we kind of take.
And so much of your stuff in here is great. We didn't cover nearly all of it, but
Thank you so
anybody that wants to come by and see Insane Cycles and Muscle Cars, ask for
Kimberly.
Ask for Kimberly. She'll be here. I don't know. She may be carving out another wood Harley. You can never tell. But we appreciate you talking to us.
Thank you so much
It's Country
for
Conversations with Cactus Jack on YouTube, and probably taking me a couple of days or 3 to get this on, but I will get it on.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for stopping.
Thanks for your time.
Well, I was at Insane Cycles and Muscle Cars for close to an hour. It wasn't near enough time to suit me. Boy, I had a great time. Kimberly and her husband have got a great business here, and they will restore your car. They restore cars of their own. Most of the things here are for sale, but they are very big in the show circuit, as you saw with the show-winning motorcycle. All the links to this will be in the description too, so take a look down at the bottom. You can find links to the Facebook and to the website, and you can get a daily inventory. Also, we'll post a phone number. Thank you for watching. We will see you soon. Country Conversations with Cactus Jack.